Well, they didn't wake me up. I was awake. I'm just a little sick today, so I put them in the playpen to sleep, and they woke me up. And they are becoming little expert jumpers as far as climbing out of the playpen. They are becoming experts. Hi, babies. They just jumped into their water to get out of the playpen, so their little legs and tails are all wet. No, we're not going down there. Not down there. Or you, Tiger. Oof, or you. Oh, shush, you're fine. Monkey likes to scream at me. Pretty sure he wants a bottle. But he wouldn't take it. Let's see if he'll take it this time. You want a baba, baby? You want a baba? You want a baba? You want a baba? Good boy. You're a hungry little guy, aren't you? Yeah, my little monkey. Monkey eats cat food too, but he likes the baba. He's our little runt. He will scream at me if he wants it. So now he's gonna go play with his brothers and one sister. They don't really know how to jump yet, but they just kind of bail off the couch anyways. Here comes Tiger, my little adventurer. Very good climber. Hey, little man. Hey, little girl. This is my only girl. This is Tiger. Tiger likes to touch my face with her paws and try to eat my mouth. It's a very silly baby. Hey, Tiger. I'm not sure why she did that. I guess my mouth smells good or something. That's a good compliment, right? Hey, Tiger, that's good. And then I got somebody trying to get up. Uh-oh. Is that my monkey? And who else have I got down there? Oh, yes, that's my monkey. Come on up, sweetie. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, baby. Oh. Alright, or I'll just pick you up and carry you up here. My little monkey. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Ow. Oh. Tiger is, Gus is on my ankle. Oh, hi, Tiger. Hi. Oh.